Good morning, everyone. My name is Prithviraj Praveen Mathugde from grade 7th D. Today's day is Wednesday and today's date is 15th July 2026. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Farhan Mazmullah. Today I am going to tell you thought of the day. Today's thought is your skills are weapons that helps you to overcome in any difficult situation.
Good morning everyone. My name is Viraj Singh Chauhan from class 7E. Today I am going to tell some daily affirmation. Today's affirmation is based on kindness. So please repeat after me. I am kind to others and to myself. My words and actions matter. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Ayush Prasad Sutar from grade 7th E. Today's new word is cavil. It is a verb. Meaning of this word is an unreasonable complaint, especially about something that is not important. Sentence. She always finds something cavil about, even when everything is going well. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arohi Magdum from grade 7.
My name is Rakshita Devchan Khandelwal from grade 7th.
My name is Gayatri Sandipur from grade 7.
My name is Vaishnavi Arun Ramawat from grade 7.
At Shraddha Olympiad School, today we are observing World Youth Skills Day. This day observes annually at 15 July. World Youth Skills Day was established by UN General Assembly in 2014.
This day highlights an importance of equipping young people with essential technical, vocational, and digital skills development. World Youth Skills Day aims to tackle the global challenges of youth unemployment. Also, it aims to guide unemployed people of robust vocational training and continuous skills development.
The World Youth Skills Day focuses to prepare skilled young people for employment and entrepreneurship.
Learning for all of us. The day teaches that true empowerment requires both academic knowledge and practical abilities. Second, by adopting skills, we can bridge the gap between traditional education and changing lifelong learnings. Third, we can we can take leverage by using AI and digital tools safely and effectively. Fourth, for continuous learning abilities and willingness are an important key factors.
Message to the community from Shraddha Olympiad School. Skills are important elements for youth to shape their own futures. Therefore, help to youth to acquire best skills and excel.
So let us conclude believing empowering youth through skills is the blueprint for better tomorrow.
Thank you.